Hello and welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas. Today it's all about bindweed, one of the most hated plants on the allotment, and how I deal with it. Okay, so this is the time of year to act on bindweed, and it's all about finding the locations it grows in and cutting it off early. So let's take a look around the vegetable garden and see what we can find. Now, the best way to identify bindweed is by its heart-shaped leaves or white or pink bell-shaped flowers. So you'll notice we'll find this anywhere we go, and it's all about getting those roots out. And they will go back and back and back. Now, the best time to remove the weeds out of the ground is just after a rain shower. So here's another example. So as you can see, it grows in a vine, and what it does, it wraps around any plant it's near and just strangles the plant. So that's why we hate this stuff so much. And then all we do with the roots, we put them into a bucket and then let these dry off. And once they're nice and dry, we burn the roots. And the reason we do this, we just keep digging out the roots, and make sure you get all of them if you can. There's always going to be bits and bobs that you leave in, but year after year you will just weaken that plant, and within a couple of years you should say goodbye to bindweed. And guys, generally what happens when someone new takes on a plot, I get a call over to say that it's full of bindweed. I'll go take a look, and 9 times out of 10 it's actually couch grass. So what I'll do, I'll link a video down below as I speak, and this will be how to get rid of couch grass. And if you're still here, thank you very much for supporting the channel and watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.